bacterial infection they cause disease. They cause tight, legs, body on the same handkerchief to clean face or body. You fit from there. One female plus, this one now by the special grace of God. But when you see your monthly period that over shower menstruation or unwanted fat, cholesterol. This one is especially for when they experience gum, family, sexually transmitted infections.
Yeah.
Sometimes for about 200 sexually more you don't know. So anyhow when your body they 203 sessional program. Now start the going to swell up. Sometimes you do the irregular menstruation. But if you climb woman with it, they are doing that. Doctor Joe, now we doing that today. Infection. Every sexually transmitted disease. Any disease in your body will share them the worker. It could make you come nearer. Come nearer. Even if you house, I don't mama. Yeah. When you there with a woman will not say you do. Energy drink, bamboo star, and war against all transmitted disease, all sexually transmitted infection, diabetes 1 and 2, hypertension, your body very bad disease. 100% omega-7 oil, omega blood. Acetyl Adams bitters is a purified woman patient, acute waist pain. It cools bitters. They get weakness, problems like miscarriage, hot belly, noisy stomach, anything with basic spectra and carica. Like I tell you, pregnant woman under the Ara has medical and STD, sexually transmitted coliform ropier, discharge. Some women they put prosthetic virus. Sweet things, sugar things.